Here's quite trendy and popular app called Handshake Jobs and Careers. So just tap to get it. And yes, this is like just one of the top apps for students where you just graduated or you need to start your career or you need to find some like beginner positions or even some senior positions or some internship. I like this is like the top apps for students, very easy interface. You need to select your school. Okay, let's say you graduated Yale. You need to enter your university email, for example. To do that, you can also, for example, enter your school email, and then when you enter your email you need to confirm that you're a student, and then after that you have unique access to this database of like specific roles just for students, and all of that. So something like that. So definitely give it a try if you're a student in US, in Europe. I'm not a student anymore, but I just stumbled this app and I think it's a nice opportunity. You can think it's you need to your laptop to apply for jobs. Well, yeah, probably to make a high quality application and write a nice like cover letter and edit your CV. Of course, you need a laptop, but sometimes if you're commuting, like whatever, traveling, you can just use this app on your fingertips and quickly browse through some nice positions, receive some notifications, and just when you get home near your laptop, you can know that this is like, I know this is a nice position, so therefore I should apply to it at SAP or some other things like that. Give a try to this app.